Affordable housing. We hear it all the time. There's just not affordable housing here in Florida. I'm here to prove you wrong. So today I am in Bella Lago, which is located in Parrish. RJ, do me a favor, throw up the map, show the folks at home where I am. These homes are all built by D.R. Horton. They are the largest home builder in the country, and they offer a fantastic home at a reasonable price. So if you are looking to get into a brand new home, stick around, you're gonna wanna watch this video.
I'm with D.R. Horton, and my home base is here at Bella Lago in Parrish. Today, we're looking at the Lantana model. What I love about this home is the size. It's perfect. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's 2,045 square feet of living space. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. Now, whether you want to be in Bella Lago in Parrish, Florida, or anywhere else, I can find a Lantana model that fits what you love and also fits your budget in another community as well. So be sure to call me or Adam to find your perfect home today.
If you have any questions at all about this home or any of these beautiful homes for sale in Bella Lago, you of course can give me a call, but better yet, give my wife Jessica a call. Both of our contact information is going to be down below. Actually, give Jessica a call. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, everyone.